Namaste students, this is Praveen Tripathi welcoming you in the 5th session of subject Information Practices, and our topic is memory. So, computer system needs memory for storing the data and doing the processing work. And whenever we talk about the memory, we are talking about the main memory, or we can say the primary memory, because firstly all the data are being stored in the primary memory. If we want to store the data, so we will talk about the secondary memory, or we can say the secondary storage. So coming to the definition of memory, so computer memory is the storage space, is a kind of space where all the data and instruction are being stored in the computer, where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. So all the data that are need to be processed are stored in the memory, or we can say in the firstly primary memory. The memory is divided into large number of small parts called cells. So we divide the memory in a smaller parts which is called the cells. Whenever we talk about the memory, it can also be just similar to the human brain, because just like the human brain, we also memorize many things to all over in our mind, and we recall it for doing the actions. As it is, computer memory stores all the data and information for the computer. So after discussing about the memory, let us discuss about the units of memory. Whenever we talk about the memory, we have to understand what are the basic units of memory. So a computer system uses binary numbers. As we all know that computer understand only binary digits, just like to store and process the data. What are the binary digits? 0 and 1. So this 0 and 1 are referred as bits. 0 and 1 are referred as bits. So this is the basic unit of computer memory. If I talk about, let's example 1 0 0 1. So this is a 4-bit data, or we can say the word, 4-bit word. So the 4-bit words will be referred as one nibble. 1 0 0 1, it contains the 4 bits and it is referred as one nibble. If I write the 2 nibbles, let's say 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So it containing the 8 bits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It containing the 8 bits, we can say the 2 nibbles, and it will be referred as 1 byte. So now you can understand 1 byte contains the 2 nibble, or we can say the 8 bits. Yes, so far we have discussed about the units of memory. So whenever we generally discuss about our smartphone, PC, laptops, etc., we discuss about how many RAMs we have. We just tell that I have this much of MB RAM, this much of GB internal storage. So what are these MB, GB and KBs? They are the basic measurement units of the memory. So let us discuss into the detail. So KB refers as kilobytes. 1 KB equals to 1024 bytes. We have understood that 1 byte equals to 2 nibbles, or we can say the 8 bytes. 8 bits. Okay, so 1 MB consists 1024 KB. 1 GB means the gigabytes, contains 1024 MB. 1 TB, TB means terabyte, is equals to 1024 gigabytes. 1 PB, PB means petabytes, is equals to 1024 terabyte. EB, what does it mean? Exabyte. ZB, zettabyte. YB, yottabyte. So YB is the highest capacity to storing the data and instruction. So 1 PB equals to 1024 TB, 1 EB equals to 1024 PB, PB means petabyte, 1 ZB, zettabyte equals to 1024 EB, and the 1 yottabyte equals to 1024 zettabytes. So this is the all measurement units of digital data. So that's how we have completed our units. In the next video we will see types of memory. Thank you.